kids! Welcome to Children Learning Play. Today we'll meet some amazing animals that start with the letter
A is for alligator. Alligators live in rivers and swamps. They love to swim and
A is for antelope. It can run super fast and jump very high. Antelopes live in wide.
A is for ape. Apes are strong and smart. They live in the jungle and love bananas.
A is for Arctic fox. It lives in cold, snowy places. Its fur keeps it warm all winter long. Say brew like the fox in the snow.
A is for Anaconda. It's one of the biggest snakes in the world. It loves to swim quietly through the jungle river.
A is for armadillo. It has a hard shell to stay safe. When it's scared, it rolls into a little ball owl. Roll, roll, roll.
A is for Aardvark. It has a long nose and loves to eat ants. Look how it sniffs the ground, snuffle, snuffle.
A is for Albatross. It can fly for days without stopping. Look at those big wings, whoosh, whoosh.
A is for Axolotl. It lives underwater and looks like it's smelling. Axolotls can grow.
Wow! We met so many animals that start with A. Alligator, ant, ape, antelope.